Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for transforming your living spaces, inside and out. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever looked at a sloped yard and dreamed of turning it into a beautiful, functional space? Maybe you're tired of soil erosion, or you simply want to add some visual interest to your landscape. The solution you're looking for is a retaining wall. But what if you're on a tight budget? Can you really achieve a stunning look without spending a fortune? The answer is a resounding yes. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of affordable landscaping. We'll explore the meaning and benefits of retaining walls, how to make a cheap wall look amazing, and the best materials to use. And of course, we'll give you our top 10 cheap retaining wall design ideas that will have you running to the hardware store. Let's get started. A retaining wall is a structure designed to hold back soil and prevent it from eroding on a slope. It's essentially a strong barrier that resists the lateral pressure of soil. More than just a functional necessity, a well-designed retaining wall can transform a challenging, sloped area into a beautiful, tiered garden, a flat patio, or a stunning visual feature in your yard. It's the perfect blend of engineering and aesthetics, allowing you to create usable, level spaces where there were none before. You might think that cheap means low quality, but that's not the case here. Choosing a cheap retaining wall design means you're being smart and resourceful. The primary benefit, of course, is the significant cost savings. High-end materials and professional installation can quickly drain your budget, but with a cheap design, you can achieve the same results for a fraction of the price. This frees up funds for other landscaping projects, like adding new plants, lighting, or even a fire pit. Beyond the financial benefits, opting for a DIY or budget-friendly approach allows for incredible creativity. You can repurpose materials, personalize the design to fit your unique style, and gain a massive sense of accomplishment from building something beautiful with your own hands. It's an investment in both your property and your skill set. A great design doesn't have to be expensive. The key is to focus on creative use of materials, texture, and smart planting. Instead of looking for the priciest blocks, consider how you can arrange more affordable materials in a unique pattern. Mix and match different sizes of rocks, or vary the orientation of wood planks to create visual interest. Texture is your best friend here. Rough-hewn logs, weathered brick, or corrugated metal can add a rustic, modern, or industrial feel. The real secret, however, is the planting. Use the space created by your retaining wall to showcase a variety of plants. Choose cascading vines that soften the hard edges, colorful flowers that pop against the material, or grasses that add movement and texture. By integrating your wall with the surrounding landscape, you make it look intentional, beautiful, and anything but cheap. Building a beautiful and functional retaining wall doesn't have to empty your wallet. The secret lies in choosing the right materials, those that offer durability and style without the high price tag. From natural and rustic to sleek and modern, there's a budget-friendly option for every aesthetic. Let's explore some of the best materials that prove you can achieve a high-end look on a shoestring budget. First, treated lumber or railroad ties, a classic choice for DIY projects. It's relatively inexpensive, easy to work with, and creates a clean, rustic look. Second, natural stone or field stone. If you have access to a local quarry or a rocky property, this can be an incredibly affordable and beautiful option. Stacking different sized stones creates a natural, organic look. Third, gabion baskets. These wire cages filled with rocks or other materials are perfect for a modern, industrial aesthetic. The materials inside are usually cheap and readily available. Fourth, corrugated metal or tin, a fantastic choice for a modern or rustic industrial vibe. It's durable, recyclable, and adds a unique texture and reflective quality to your landscape. Fifth, recycled materials like tires or bottles. For the ultimate budget-friendly and eco-conscious option, old tires filled with soil can be stacked and covered to create a durable, terraced wall. Sixth, concrete blocks or pavers. While they may seem plain, affordable concrete blocks can be painted, stained, or covered with stucco to mimic more expensive materials. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best cheap retaining wall design ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Natural boulder retaining wall. This design proves that sometimes, the most stunning materials are found in nature. A wall built with large, rounded boulders creates a beautiful, naturalistic landscape that blends seamlessly with the environment. The varying sizes and earthy tones of the stones, combined with the gentle slope, give this design a timeless and expensive look. The integrated concrete steps make the wall both functional and a central design feature. 2. Wooden timber retaining wall with stairs. Treated lumber is a landscaper's best friend. This clean, modern design uses stacked wooden beams to create a tiered garden bed and a set of practical, built-in stairs. The vertical metal posts offer support and a sleek contrast to the warm wood. The design is simple, elegant, and perfect for creating usable, level spaces in a sloped yard. 3. Stacked stone and floral retaining wall. This close-up shot highlights the beauty of a simple, dry stacked stone wall. The irregular shapes and subtle color variations of the stones create a wonderful texture. The wall acts as the perfect border for a garden bed filled with tall, vibrant flowers and lush greenery, proving that a cheap wall can be the foundation for a spectacular display of nature. 4. Gabion cage retaining wall. Gabion walls are a brilliant mix of industrial design and natural materials. These wire cages are filled with rocks and stones, creating a sturdy and visually striking barrier. The top of this wall is softened by beautiful, cascading greenery, which spills over the edge, creating a lovely contrast between the hard stones and the soft plant life. 5. Corrugated metal and wood retaining wall. For a bold, modern look, this design uses horizontal wooden beams and corrugated metal panels. The combination creates a chic, contemporary aesthetic that's both functional and stylish. The wood posts provide structural integrity, while the metal panels offer a unique texture. Lush plants and red mulch complete the picture, adding color and life to the urban-inspired design. 6. Stained wood block retaining wall. This design features a wall made of large, stacked wooden blocks that are stained to highlight the natural grain and knots of the wood. The varying shades of brown give the wall a rich, multidimensional appearance. The clean, straight lines of the blocks create a strong geometric shape, making the wall a striking focal point and a great example of how simple materials can create a sophisticated look. 7. Live edge wood retaining wall. This is a truly unique and naturalistic approach. The wall is built with thick, live edge slabs of wood, with the bark left intact. This creates an incredibly rustic and organic feel, making the wall look like a natural part of the surrounding forest. This design is perfect for blending a structure into a wild or wooded landscape. 8. Recycled tire retaining wall. Sustainability meets function in this creative design. Old tires are stacked and filled with soil to create a series of terraced retaining walls. While it might sound unconventional, the pattern is surprisingly uniform and effective. The plants growing out of each tire soften the look, and the entire structure is an excellent example of creative recycling. 9. Tiered corrugated metal retaining walls. This design uses corrugated metal to create a series of tiered retaining walls on a steep slope. The metal is allowed to rest naturally at the base, creating a beautiful patina that adds character and a sense of age. The repetition of the vertical lines and the terraced garden beds make this a dramatic and highly functional landscaping solution. 10. Classic brick retaining wall. You can never go wrong with a classic. This curved brick retaining wall is a timeless and elegant solution. The uniform red bricks provide a clean, traditional look that pairs beautifully with the lush green lawn. The design is perfect for creating a clean border and adding a touch of classic charm to your yard. And there you have it, 10 incredible examples of how a retaining wall can be both cheap and absolutely beautiful. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, remember that a limited budget doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style or function. With a little creativity, smart material choices, and a vision, you can transform a challenging slope into the most beautiful part of your home. Which of these designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more brilliant home and garden ideas. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!